Okay, we're asked to solve the inequality 5 minus 2x in modulus brackets less than or equal to 3. Okay, so what we have is this. Now, we dealt with a question earlier, and there was two methods to it. This is dodgy, right? Because of the symbol, right? This inequality just behaves a little bit different. So the best way around this, because this has to be positive, the best way around it is square both sides. Because it will ensure the right way that the sign will be at the end, okay? Because if you don't do it, you don't know which way the sign should be, okay? So we're going to square both sides, okay? So the quick way of squaring, square the first, multiply the first by the second, multiply by 2, so that would be 10x, so that would be 20x, and square the last, plus 4x squared. So that's the equal to 3 squared is 9. So organize it. 4x squared minus 20x. Bring the 9 across, put minus 9, so 28, 5 minus 9 is 60. Divide everything by 4. So we get x squared minus 5x plus 4. This is equal to 0. Now, the way I asked you to do these before, when you have an inequality, let it equal to 0 and solve it. Okay? So I'm doing this all the quick way now. So x and x, 4 and 1. You want a minus 5, so it's minus 1 and minus 4. So it's equal to 0, so you solve it, x is equal to 1, and x is equal to 4. So the next step then is to draw it. So the x y-axis, we know it's at 1, and we know it's at 4. So that's 1, and that's 1. So we draw our quadratic. Then we go back to the inequality. So it says that the quadratic is less than or equal to 0. Okay? So it's this part of it down here, right? It's this part of it. It's less than 0, so it's down here. Okay? So what part of the x is involved there? Well, it's these parts. Okay? So how to describe that? Well, it's all the values between 1 and 4. So this value for x works for this equation. All the values, anything outside that will not work.